In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the merciful for all, who is the master of day and night. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Which is concerned with the conduct of examination. BISE. When was University of Education established? 2002. The knowledge which a person gains by his thinking power is intellectual. The knowledge which a person obtains without any effort is called instinct. You want to improve self-reliance of your students. What should you prefer to do? Motivate them intrinsically and motivate them extrinsically. Computer literacy is also considered important. Which philosophy denies it? Perennialism. Non-formal education refers to the education which happens outside of the context of a formal structured educational institution. A framework or plan of action for preparing a curriculum is curriculum design. Knowledge is compartmentalized in subject-centered curriculum. Curriculum is composed of all experience children have under the guidance of teacher is an old concept. The highest in rank in Ministry of Education is Secretary. The analysis, synthesis and evaluation is measured through essay. The essay type questions the word, what, who, which and where are used to measure. Lower mental process. The homogeneous material is used. Single exercise of matching test. The correct or best answer out of all options is sought it. In multiple choice questions. Multiple choice items. Philosophy is an intellectual or moral activity. This is said by John Locke. The authentic source of knowledge to find out the truth about ultimate reality in Islamic is revelation. What kind of knowledge comes from Allah through prophets? Salam. Revelation. Ontology is also called metaphysics. Philosophy is theory of education. Elasticism means borrowing belief from different philosophies. Aristotle disagreed from Plato is respect to belief that ideas are the real. The major components of the curriculum are 4. The first step in the curriculum development is objectives. The problem in multiple choice item is presented in options. Measurement is a dimension of educational evaluation. In indicative method, we proceed from general to specific. State-dependent theory of cognitive development. Which name comes to mind? John Dewey. What is beauty? Which branch of philosophy answers this question? Axiology, aesthetics. Where do we find the sources knowledge? How do we acquire knowledge? Which branch of philosophy answers this question? Epistemology.